Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Luigi Versoza, and on this video we're going to be reviewing a new brand collaboration from the brand KZ Hi-Fi or KZ Audio. So for those who haven't heard KZ before, KZ is a company based in China or Guangdong, China. And they're a manufacturer of high quality earphones which is really affordable with the budget. Alright, so I would like to give thanks to KZ Hi-Fi for sending this product for review. And today on this video, we're going to be reviewing their newest product, which is the KZ-ZNA In-ear headphones. So this headphones is actually not out in the market yet, but they are planning to release this by this end of the year or this December 2022. So this is a wired in-ear headphones, and it is actually somehow similar with their previous products. It weighs 84 grams. It has a connection type of 3.5mm audio. It has a frequency range of 20 Hz to 40,000 kHz, an impedance of 32 ohms, and a sensitivity of 112 decibels. So, what could I say about these headphones? So I'm pretty new with the brand, and this is my first time reviewing KZ, or this is actually the first time I have used KZ Hi-Fi earphones. And man, I was really blown away with the audio quality of these headphones. So first, let us look at this tiny little headphones and how the build quality is. So on the top, they are actually using an aluminum metal, and then on the half of it, they are using a transparent plastic. Inside of the tube, they are actually using copper for the connection to the wire. At the back, there are grills that actually makes it somehow an open back headphones. And the tips are made of rubber. Moving forward to its wire connection. So like what I said again, they are using a copper metal for the connection. And the wire itself is made out of or covered with plastic, and the 3.5mm audio plug-in is made out of metal or gold plated metal. So it really looks like a premium headphones, and it also weighs quite a lot. And like what I said, this is my first time reviewing their products, so I cannot compare it to their previous ones. So just to give you my personal experience with the sound quality of the headphones, I would say that the bass, the mids, and the highs is quite boosted, like a little bit. If you're gonna be using these headphones for music, then it has a really rich sound quality. So if you're into audio production or music production, I can actually recommend this for mixing and mastering as well. It's not that as flat as the headphones that I have used before for mixing and mastering, but you can definitely use this one as an alternative. So if you don't want that big ass headphones on your head, then you can use a headphones like this, and it actually sounds nice. And if you are an audiophile, then you're gonna love the audio quality of these headphones. So again, like a million times, I am not an audiophile. I'm not really that keen into those every frequency that emits on the headphones itself. But whenever I listen to music, I guarantee that I'm always listening to the different instruments as well as the vocals of the music that I'm listening to. So what I can say is, compared to the TWS headphones that I have reviewed before, the sound quality is really different. The one thing that I think that is just missing with this one is a built-in microphone, which could be useful for everyday use. But overall, I love the sound quality of these headphones. You could never go wrong with the KZ-ZNA. And there are a lot of good and positive reviews here in YouTube and all over the internet when it comes to the sound quality of KZ Hi-Fi headphones. So if you think that I am missing something with this review, then please comment down on the comment section section below, so I would take note of it and I could do it on the next product review that I would be doing. And again, thank you so much KZ Hi-Fi for sending this product for review, and hopefully this is the start of more collaborations with your brand. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just press the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I create a video or a product review video like this. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.